We are now at the Fun Fly doing the G.I. Joe launch, and here's the craziness right here.
Nathan's gonna say go, right?
Do not go till Nathan says go. Okay, let's get over here and get a little closer. Let's go this way.
Whenever they start coming down, I guess is when you can go.
He'll say when.
Okay.
Yeah. Just give me a little nod or something when you're about to do it.
Tell me and I'll. Okay.